Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the impulse turbine velocity diagram. Before we discuss about the impulse turbine velocity diagram, in the previous lecture we have understand the basic principle of the impulse turbine. In an impulse turbine, various consist of the number of nozzle and moving blade and the fixed blade. Here, the main principle of the impulse turbine here produce the rate of the change of the momentum by the impact of the jet or high velocity steam. Here, the rate of change of the momentum causes to the dynamic action of the steam. First, this is the cross section of the blade which attached the turbine rotor, and rotor is attached with the shaft, and shaft is connected with the electrical generator and produce the electricity. Here, when the V1 is the absolute velocity and is also called the nozzle velocity, means the steam is expand from nozzle and achieve the kinetic energy, and the velocity of this kinetic energy is the V1 is the absolute velocity. Here nozzle angle is the alpha 1, and here two component of the absolute velocity. One is the horizontal component is real velocity Vw1 and axial velocity is Vf1. Here Vw1 is equal to V1 cos alpha 1 and Vf1 is equal to V1 sin alpha 1 from the geometry of the triangle here. Here the blade velocity, if we assume that blade velocity u, so here in relative velocity u, so here the in actual condition the relative velocity with respect to the blade, here we achieve the Vr1 is the relative velocity, and here the blade angle is beta 1. Here relative velocity at the jet beta 1 angle. Here two component is Vw1 minus u and second component is the Vf1. Here the change of the motion of the direction of the moment. So here rate of the change of momentum. So here outlet velocity diagram is the relative velocity is Vr2 and absolute velocity of the jet is V2. The blade angle is beta 2 and nozzle angle for the outer side is alpha 2. Here component of the V2 is Vw2 and the Vf2. This is the inlet and outlet diagram of the impulse turbine. Here some notation: V1 is equal to absolute velocity of the steam at the inlet, U is equal to blade velocity at the inlet, D is equal to blade ring diameter, N is equal to speed in RPM. So from here U is equal to pi d n by 60 is velocity. Here D is the diameter of the rotor and N is equal to rotation speed of the blade. So we get the actual blade velocity at the tangential direction is the U is equal to blade velocity at angle is equal to pi d n by 60. Here Vr1 is the relative velocity of the steam at the inlet here, and Vw1 is the real velocity of the steam at the inlet, and Vf1 is equal to the flow velocity of the steam at the inlet. Alpha 1 is equal to here nozzle angle, beta 1 is equal to blade angle for the inlet condition. Same for the outlet condition, V2 is equal to absolute velocity at the outlet angle, Vr2 is equal to relative velocity at the outlet, and beta 2 is equal to blade angle at the outlet, alpha 2 is equal to nozzle angle at the outlet. Real velocity at the outlet or tangential velocity at the outlet is equal to Vw2 here, and blade blade velocity is u, and axial blade velocity at outlet is equal to Vf2. If the blade is symmetrical, beta 1 is equal to beta 2, and blade is unsymmetrical, the beta 1 is not equal to beta 2. Here when blade friction losses is 0, so that here relative velocity Vr1 is equal to Vr2 if the blade velocity or here blade friction losses is 0 or negligible. Second, how to draw the combined velocity diagram. For the combined velocity diagram, here the two parameter is common. Here the blade velocity u and here blade velocity u. For the inlet and outlet is common. So first we draw the v is our blade velocity, and we draw the absolute velocity v1 at the nozzle angle alpha 1. Here two component of v1, Vw1 and Vf1, and the relative velocity with respect to the blade velocity here Vr1 at the blade angle is 1, and two component of the V1 is Vw1 and Vf1. Horizontal component is Vw1, vertical component Vf1. Same for the outlet velocity diagram. Here alpha 2 angle for the absolute velocity V2 and beta 2 for the Vr2 relative velocity. So here this is combined velocity diagram. Here plotting A, alpha 1 and alpha 2, so easily you understand, and remaining the some terminology for the combined velocity diagram. Here Vr1 is equal to Vr2 when the friction loss is negligible, and beta 1 is equal to beta 2 when the blade is symmetrical. Some terminology like blade velocity coefficient. Blade velocity coefficient is the ratio of the outlet relative velocity upon inlet relative velocity. Means that if blade friction is 0, so K is value is 1, so where Vr2 is equal to Vr1. Generally the value of the K is lies between the 0.9 to 0.95. So here we get the relative velocity of outlet with respect to inlet some lesser than the inlet velocity. Second is the blade ratio. Blade ratio is defined as the blade velocity to the absolute velocity of the steam at inlet. Here blade velocity is u and the absolute velocity of steam inlet is v1. So ratio is equal to u by v1. Thank you.